A gentle reminder, you have a creative pitch presentation at 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, here's the thing. I'm not very good with time management. I have a creative pitch at work in the morning. Apart from that, I have to do the laundry and clean the house. And I haven't done a thing. But don't worry, I have a plan. Let's start on that presentation first.
Here are your client notes.
Good thing I kept this. But I only have 2 hours left, and these notes are way too long. With the Xiaomi 14T AI-powered HyperOS, we can summarize all of this in just a snap. What else can we do with the advanced AI? Using cloud-based AI technology, we can use the Notes app to proofread any text. Combined with Gemini, you can also convert text or voice prompts to images. Hey Google, generate photo of a stylish living room.
Sure, here are a few images of stylish
See?
living rooms.
Now making that last-minute presentation with visual aids is a breeze. The day's done, just like that. Tomorrow, we'll do this all over again. But for now, I need a quick dinner recipe.
Xiaomi